Are you posing? You and Anna pose so funny.
Just taking a video.
Pick up the bottle down there, Zane. There you go. Show them the bottle. Say, I'm a happy drinker.
A happy drinker.
Say, I go poop in the big kid toilet.
I'll go poop in the big boy toilet.
Say, I'm a fart knocker.
A fart knocker.
Hey, that was good. That's how we understood you.
Oh, there.
Say, Daddy loves booze more than me.
Daddy, let's booze on me.